What's up, everybody? Joe with Joe's Golden Garage coming to you today from the Volvo XC90. This is a goodbye video. It is leaving me in about 30 minutes. I bought this back in February, and I really haven't filmed much on it because I pretty much bought it and gave it to my wife. My estranged wife, and it has got her through the year just fine. I put a couple of new tires on the front. I put a brand new battery in it last Friday, and when I first bought the car, I noticed it had some vibration when it was running. And it definitely needed motor mounts and a transmission mount, and I was going to put them in, but I never got around to it. But I did order the parts and get the parts. This is a really clean, older XC90. I mean, look at the leather seats. I mean, these things get trashed. And this is an 06, and it's the 5-cylinder, all-wheel drive. So it's a pretty sturdy platform. But yeah, this one's, the body's in good shape. The paint color's not my favorite. It's kind of we call it the lima bean. But the seats and everything's in decent shape. It's got these nice little rubber mats. But my wife was able to use it to haul the dogs in. And, you know, she moved while she's had it. And the headliner's not sagging, which is extremely unusual for one this old. Now it is starting to kind of peel away from the sunroof, but it's a pretty solid old example, and it's been dang dead reliable since, except for I never did buff that out. I meant to, just a little paint transfer. Last Friday it would not start, and we had to get a new battery, and the new battery goes back here in the back somewhere. I did order parts for it. I ordered some of the shocks from FCP Euro for the back and all the little rubber, you know, all the little stuff you need. I ordered all the motor mounts. I changed the top motor mount, but there's still 4 more that need to be done, including a trans mount. And then this right here is an entire front end like rebuild kit. It's control arms, tie rods, end links, the bellows for the CVs or whatever. I mean, it's everything. I just never got around to putting this stuff on because I gave the car to my wife, and she's just been driving the heck out of it. She's put about, I don't know, 7,000 or 8,000 miles on it. That tire looks like it needs a little air. These little things, plastic rock chip guards, those things are so nasty over time. And how do you get them off? I mean, I don't even know how. But anyway, I just wanted to do a quick little walk around, show the car before it's gone. I paid, what did I pay for this car? I think I got about 3 to 32 in it, with the parts and everything, somewhere in that range. And buying tires and a battery. But I'm selling it pretty cheap. I'm selling it, for $21.50, and I'm throwing in all the parts because it really needs motor mounts so bad. I mean, it's terrible. It is just terrible. And the rear shocks, oh my gosh, this thing's almost a little bit dangerous to drive. So, but I found a guy that's kind of a do-it-yourselfer, and he's wanting to get a nice, safe car for his daughter. And I said, hey, man, if you do these repairs and fix it up, I said, this thing will be great for her. Oh, and I've always had an ABS sensor issue for the anti-lock brakes. Could be a wheel sensor, could be a module, who knows. But she's got 199,500 miles, so just under 200. But yep, that's it. She is gone. And I'm taking the money from this, and I was trying to decide what to do, because this is a personal vehicle. So what I've decided to do is take the money and invest it in the Saab. So I'm going to put it in the Saab. And my Saab guy went ahead and ordered the parts today. He ordered the new turbo, Buick Regal turbo, ordered the new turbo and timing chain kit, and he's going to get started on it next Thursday. So this car is going to get, oh, and he's converting all my rear lights to LED, so that'll be good. And so it should be ready to go, back jam up, back on the road. I can't wait. I gave my wife the Azera. I said, you know what? It's not pretty, but it's dead reliable, and it will get you to school and back every day, to work and back, and get you where you need to go. And it's no frills transportation. So there you have it. Enjoy. Anyway, she got the Azera. She's not super thrilled about that, but she was like, oh my gosh, this thing is so smooth. And I was like, yep, it sure is. She was just very thankful for the smooth ride and that Volvo vibrates from the minute you put it in gear through acceleration. I mean, when you're cruising down the interstate at, 75, 80 miles an hour, it smooths out pretty good. And, you can cruise along and it's fine. Pretty comfortable until you hit maybe a dip in the road or go across a bridge. And then those rear shocks get to boing, boing. And oh man, you're like, gosh, I'm about to lose control here. So, anyway, yeah, so losing some money, but it did get us through the year reliably. And of course, I've got her now a pretty reliable car with very little money in it. I mean, $2,300. And I can take this cash from the Volvo and put it in the Saab, get the turbo and timing chain done. So, bought a car at auction today. I haven't done a video on it yet. Something kind of unusual for us. Haven't ever bought anything quite like this. But I have always liked these cars. So anyway, look for that. That'll be coming up in the next few days. Beautiful, low mileage. Just think, I'll give you a hint. Just think about Anthony at Specialty Motorcars in New Hampshire. That'll give you, if you know who I'm talking about, that ought to be a dead giveaway. But anyway, y'all like, comment, subscribe. I appreciate you watching, and we'll see y'all later. Peace. Oh, come on, camera. Peace. There goes the lima bean. Off to its new owners in Fayetteville, Georgia. Bye-bye, lima bean. It was fun.